In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Windows 11 from a USB flash drive. Before we dive in, make sure you have a Windows 10 PC that meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. This is crucial as it ensures your computer can run the new operating system smoothly. And if you're not certain what those requirements are, you can find them on the official Microsoft website. Next, you'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space. Make sure it's blank, or that any important data is backed up elsewhere, as the installation process will erase everything on it. Using a working computer, navigate to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Look for the section titled Create Windows 11 Installation Media. This location is where you can download the necessary tool to convert your USB into a bootable drive containing Windows 11. Once there, you'll see an option called Download Now for the Media Creation tool. Click it to start downloading the software. The next step is straightforward. Simply run the tool that you've just downloaded. You'll be guided through a series of prompts starting with accepting the license terms, so go ahead and do that. You'll then choose your preferred language and the edition of Windows 11 that corresponds to your need. After selecting those options, choose USB flash drive when prompted for your media type. It's easy. Select the USB drive you've inserted, ensuring it's recognized, and then click Next. The Media Creation tool will begin to download the Windows 11 files and automatically create a bootable drive. Be prepared for this to take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once your bootable USB is ready, it's time to install Windows 11 on your new PC. Insert the USB into the machine where you want to install the operating system. Restart the computer and enter the boot menu. This usually involves pressing a key like F12 or ESC just as your machine is starting up. Follow the on-screen instructions during installation. The process will guide you through setup, including connecting to the internet and signing in, or creating a Microsoft account. Finally, you'll customize your settings to suit your preferences. And there you have it. Your new Windows 11 setup is complete. Whether it's for gaming or productivity, enjoy exploring the features that Windows 11 brings to your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy computing!